Wait, huh? Did you pause this video? Hey guys, it's your girl Rita. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. So today I am taking you through another crochet tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install this kinky braids into your hair crochet method. So if you want to see that, stick around, don't go anywhere. First, you want to start off on freshly washed, detangled, deep conditioned and moisturized hair. If you haven't seen my wash day routine, I'm going to put that in a link at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can go in with your butter or your leave-in conditioner. I use the Sheer Moisture Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. So after putting your hair in tiny sections and applying your leave-in conditioner or butter, you want to start off with a 3-strand braid before you gradually transition into a 2-strand twist. The reason for doing this, guys, is that you want your roots to be as firm as it can be, so that when you're passing your extension through it, it doesn't loosen. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment, and of course click that bell button so that you are notified every single time I have a new video out. Okay, so you just basically do this until you have covered your whole head. Then you can move on to the extension part. So for this part, I am using the Expression Collection crochet braid in color 1. It is kinky, as you can see, guys. This thing tangles, so you want to go ahead and brush this out, comb it, whatever you need to do to get it fixed. Just do it, and don't forget to moisturize it. So guys, for one braided portion of my hair, this is the size of extension I'm going to use because I want it to be thicker than my hair. Now, because it doesn't have a loop, you have to fold it into 2, secure it at the middle with your crochet pin, and pass that through your own hair. Then pass a section through the loop just like that, pull it and give it a good tie to secure it. Then you can start to twist that section. Make sure that as you twist that section, you hide your hair between the extensions so that your hair doesn't bulge out. Also guys, this extension does not need to be hot water treated. As soon as you're done, just give it a good trim and you are good to go. I did apply a little mousse though, so you can try that out. The good thing about this style is that you can easily moisturize your hair, you can wash your hair, condition your hair. Basically, you can treat it like it is your own hair in twists. So yeah, added bonus. Bam. Remember to have fun because this process is time consuming, so just have fun with it, guys. Have fun. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I have covered every part of my hair, guys, every part of it. So guys, if you do try out this method and it works great for you, kindly give me a feedback. And that's it, guys. These are the results. thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment, click that bell button so that you're notified whenever I have a new video out. You know how we do it, people. You know how we do it. Yeah. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Until then, I remain Rita, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.